So the following question reads that an oxide of iron dissolved in an inert solvent is electrolyzed. It's being electrolyzed for 2 hours with a current of zero point 0.8 amperes, and the electrolysis products are iron and oxygen. The mass of iron produced is also given, and you're supposed to calculate the oxidation state of iron in the oxide of iron. So you have to figure out what the original oxidation state is. Now, the very first thing that you can do is you can figure out Q is equal to current into time. That will give you the amount of charge that is flowing. So Q is equal to current is zero point 0.8 amperes, and it's been going on for 2 hours. So that's 2 times 60 minutes into 60 seconds. And this gives me, on my calculator, it gives me 5760 coulombs. And I can convert that into moles of electrons by using the Faraday constant, because 1 mole of electrons uh, has a charge of 96, 500 coulombs. So if you have 5760 coulombs, how many electrons is that? So we're going to use ratios, and the value of x is going to be it's going to be it's going to come out to be 5760 divided by 96, 500, and this value is, so it's coming out to be 0.06 moles of electrons. So I'm not sure what the original oxidation state of iron is. So we don't know what the charge is. It's positive X, and if it's turning into iron, that means it's gaining how many electrons? It's going to gain X amount of electrons. Like if it was plus 3, then it should gain 3 electrons to form iron, and so on. So at the moment, I know that how many electrons it's gaining. It's gaining 0.06 moles of electrons. But in my question, I'm also given, like if we go back to the question, it's given that 1.11 grams of iron is produced. So we can find the moles of iron as well over here, because the mass is given. It's given as 1.11 grams. So if I divide by the MR, I'll figure out the moles. So the AR of iron is 55.8, and this approximately gives me 0.02 moles of Fe. So the ratio I'm getting right now is the ratio. If you look at the moles, it's 3 ratio. It's 3 ratio 1. So that means to make 1 iron, let me rewrite the equation. To make 1 iron, I need it needs to gain 3 electrons, which means that Fe would originally be plus 3. So I've been able to figure out what the oxidation state originally is.